What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about 6 millionaire habits that absolutely transformed and changed my life. Last year, I had my first ever 6-figure year as a full-time entrepreneur and YouTube creator. Like, that was life-changing for me. You guys don't understand. I come from the bottom. I'm from South Central Los Angeles. Not the best mindset being circulated around there, but I changed my mind. I changed my thoughts. I changed a lot of things, and I implemented all 6 of these millionaire habits and absolutely transformed my life. Let's talk about them. Millionaire habit number 1. This is one you guys absolutely have to get, and it's writing down my goals. Now, I took this to the next level. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have like 6 dry erase boards, some small, some big, some large, hanging up in front of me and some tucked away in the cut. But all of them have different goals, different achievements. Some of them are just monetary, and a lot of them have check boxes near them. Some of them are really old from when I wrote down goals from years ago that I go back to after a couple of years, and I check off things that just were subconsciously in my mind manifesting in the universe. You guys got to understand, in order to achieve and accomplish things, you got to have it planned out and mapped out. Write down your goals, your dreams. You have to trust the fact that this habit is a must. You got to understand, this habit is serious, and it's among the successful. They all do it. Now, I don't want to do it. I think it's corny and stuff. That's a sad mindset to have, because this will absolutely transform and change your life. If you don't know where you're going, how in the world will you get there? And your goals and your dreams and aspirations change year after year. So consistently having updated lists and new goals and things to strive for will keep you going and burning in the entrepreneur grind. So do it. Now, the second millionaire habit that I implemented into my life, this one is cool because I never thought that I would ever do one of these, but a vision board. And funny enough, I used to put little papers on my wall back when I was in, South Central, not living in the best conditions, but they were like music goals and things. And I kind of implemented it back then, but now I have a really nice put together tile vision board. I'll show you guys. It's actually hanging up there. Matter of fact, come with me for a second. All right, you guys. So this is my vision board right here. The theme is I am the greatest. That's the mindset from the late great Muhammad Ali. I admired that guy. His mindset and his fierceness was everything. Bruce Lee has a lot of great jewels that I've listened to. There's a quote from him. Arnold Schwarzenegger has one of my most favorite motivational speeches. Bob Marley, admire him. Allen Iverson's my favorite basketball player. Michael Jordan's the GOAT. Things like that. Got Gary Vee, Les Brown, motivational people. Nice home, money, cars, the camera, California. So different symbols and things that help remind me about the grind. So I have this vision board that I put up, things that inspire me, goals, and things that I want to accomplish, symbols. These vision boards are great. And it's also great to have them out there, put into the universe, also into your subconscious, working in the background. You guys might actually come back to these vision boards 10, 12 years down the road and realize that your vision has manifested. It's just good to have your eyes on the prize. You need to see where you're headed and where you're going. And it's also, sometimes it's a good reminder. You might be over here not feeling it today. You might be down. You might lose a little confidence, but maybe just looking up and seeing that vision board and reminding yourself why you started this grind in the first place will help keep you on track to success. So please, please implement all of these habits. These are principles. Trust me, I found nonstop patterns amongst all of the successful people that I've studied. We're going to talk more about that in the future habits. I got you guys. Next one. Now, the third millionaire habit that I implemented in my life was minimizing free time. Now, what do you mean by that, CJ? Think about it. In a typical way of life, we go to work, we work 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday. And then our free time is the little time we have after commuting home from work. A lot of it is TV time or that woosah time and so forth. And then on the weekend, we like to say that that's our time. We go out and we do little things here and there. Now, in all of that free time, or that quote unquote free time of watching TV, watching your favorite TV shows, going to the movies, hanging with friends, going out to nice dinners and so forth, you're not pushing yourself any further in life. You're just going through the routine. You're just gonna go back on Monday, start the routine over, struggle and complain about your free time and so forth. So minimizing free time means all of that free time time, or not all of it, some of it, like you don't have to be over obsessive about it, but taking some of that free time and putting it to work for you, for your dreams and your goals and your aspirations. So doing research, R&D, or working on said dream and vision in some of that time. Like instead of just sitting around letting time go to the wayside, put that time to work. I would always be researching. I would come home, I would work on YouTube videos, I would edit, I would watch other YouTubers that were better than me to learn how to get better. So I was always utilizing my free time and putting it to work to set me up to now as a full-time entrepreneur. I actually do have free time on my hands, a lot more time. So I'm able to continue to grind, but then all that other time that was given 8 hours to another job or someone else's dream now goes to me. I can't express how wonderful and how great and how much that is the way of life. Please take these habits seriously, write them down, drill them into your head, and like literally after this video, go implement all 6. Trust me. Now the 4th millionaire habit that's on the list is reading. Reading absolutely transformed my life. Now I'll be honest, I like audiobooks over reading, but I do have some physical books that I have read. You know what? There's a video coming. It might be live already. If it is, I'll link it, where I'm going to share like 6 of my like top tier books for entrepreneurs that'll help change your mindset and prepare you and take your life to the next level, as will these habits. So reading is fundamental. It's absolutely a place of research, but here's the key thing that a lot of people don't realize. All of those successful people that you watch and that some of you may idolize and look up to, a lot of them have written books sharing their life stories, their ups and downs, their business ventures and things like that, their mindsets, which is absolutely key. So I like to find audiobooks that are written by these successful people and also narrated by their voice. Those are the best, because literally it's like me sitting down in a room with them and they're telling me their life stories, their mindsets, their principles, the things that made them successful, also their background. And then I start to see that a lot of them aren't far removed from me. A lot of them came up the same way I did, and it was the separation of mindset that made them the success that they are, and that's gonna make me the success that I will soon be. You guys got to understand this. Reading is fundamental. There's a lot of great books. I promise you, I'm going to be making a video up next sharing some of those really great books that you guys need to check out, and it will help change your life as an entrepreneur and a YouTube creator, full-time creator, whatever it is you're trying to do. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be an entrepreneur, but I prefer the entrepreneur role. All right. Millionaire habit number 5, surrounding yourself around the right people, surrounding yourself around success. You have to surround yourself around people who are like-minded like you, who are also have a forward, upward trajectory, and also people who are doing better than you, who are more successful than you, because every little jewel and crumb that they could drop your way will help you get ahead in your journey. I have a lot of great mentors in my life that are smashing it. They're crushing it. Like Roberto Blake. Dude is crushing it on the front end. Every now and then I can reach out, I can have a conversation with him, which changes my life for my forward trajectory for the best. Like, so surround yourself. I also have my tight friends, C-Kid and Terry, and we conversate about the grind, the hustle all the time. We share resources, we find videos, we find books, resources, quotes, whatever it is. We are always trying to better one another. And that's the whole thing. You guys don't understand. The company you keep is the company you become. Guard your mind, guard your surroundings, guard who's around you. It's extremely important. Honestly, if you really step back and you take a look at who you hang around and you realize y'all all are on the same level, then you realize why you haven't stepped up and went to the next level. Watch who you hang out with. Now, the last and final habit, habit number 6 of millionaires. This is the kit and caboodle. This is the creme de la creme. Taking risks. The leap of faith. So many people run to the edge of the cliff. They look down, they see the fall, they see other people soaring, they see some fall, tumble, and get scraped up, and they have instant fear. Trust me, I had extreme anxiety and fear before I took the leap of faith of being able to bet on myself and just leave what was the secure job and take a leap of faith on this unknown. Like, this whole world of entrepreneurship and chasing my dreams and goals and like manifesting and creating my money and my income month by month, day by day, week by week is a world of the unknown. It's not for everybody, but I wholeheartedly believe it's the way of life for a lot of people. And for those of you who seek that and who are willing to put in the work, and the effort and build the mindset that it takes to achieve this, this is everything. And it all starts with taking the leap of faith that so many people are afraid of, taking risks. So many times I took risks. So many times I betted on myself. So many times I will continue to take risks. So many times I will continue to bet on me because I've built the mindset. I've built the belief in me. I believe in me. It's not easy, but once you believe in you, there's nothing that can stop you. My name is CJ. This is CJ Unplugged. These are 6 millionaire habits that absolutely changed my life. I will be having more videos and discussions on entrepreneurship, millionaire mindsets, books, self-help and all that stuff. Like, trust me, man, this is a road and a journey to create multiple hustles, streams of income, and to set ourselves free.
That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school prices on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama.